Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about trigonometry. Trigonometry is divided into three parts. Tri means 3, gono means side, metry means measurement. So we will here measure of three side in trigonometry. On the basis of side and angles, triangles are 6 types. Namely are equilateral, isosceles, scalene, and acute angle, obtuse angle, and right angle triangle. Here in trigonometry we use only right angle triangle. Okay, in right angle triangle one angle is fixed at 90. Name are A, B, and C. If we put theta here, this side is called hypotenuse, this side is called base, and side is called perpendicular. Perpendicular and base are interchanged with change of theta. If we put theta here, in front of side is perpendicular, and with between theta and 90 side are base. But here theta and 90 is here, therefore this side is base. Okay. Now in trigonometry, what is the use of trigonometry? The uses of trigonometry, we measure height of building, height of tower, height of mountain, etc. Okay. Here trigonometry, firstly we goes to trigonometry, we use here Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras what? Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. We use to this formula, we find any one of this side in this triangle. But by uses of trigonometry, we firstly known about 6 trigonometric ratios. 6 trigonometric ratios are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. Tan is opposite to cot, cot is opposite to tan. Cos is opposite to sec, sec is opposite to cos. Sin is opposite to cosec, cosec is opposite to sin. Then here sin theta is equal to, on the basis of side, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Then tan theta is opposite to cot, cot is opposite to tan. Therefore B by P, B for base, P for perpendicular. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base, and cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Now we use in these 6 trigonometric ratios, we find the height of the building, okay, angle between us and building, okay. So we understand this. We take an example. If we find height of the building, we take here theta is equal to 45 and base is 5 meter. What is base? Building here A, B, and C. AB is equal to height of the building, height of the building, and BC is equal to distance between foot of the building and from observer. Then what is the relation between perpendicular and base? Perpendicular and base is relation between tan theta. Okay, we put here tan theta. We put here tan theta in this triangle. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base. Here theta is equal to 45. Then tan theta is equal to 45. Perpendicular here h and base is 5 meter. Okay. What is the value of tan 45? The value of tan 45 is 1. 1 is equal to h upon 5 meter. Therefore, 5 multiplied by 1, then h is equal to 5 meter. So, we will get the height of the building is 5 meter. It's okay? Now, we will learn extra about the trigonometry. Here, many more formulas in this trigonometry. Okay? Thank you.